guys, it's Candy here at Crazy 8's Life, and I am going to do a quick try on for you today. I am not doing the unboxing, but this will be Wantable. I have already unpacked everything, so I'm going to just quickly kind of try on everything for you and go over the prices, and that will be it for today. Hopefully a really quick and short video. Okay, so I am here with the first outfit on, and it is the sleeveless rumple v-neck blouse in Fresh Berry. It is a size medium, and then frayed cuff short in Rivers by Kinsey. So here's the top. I see I have a strap out here. It is just a blouse style top. The material's very thin, almost silky. And here it is untucked. And then hopefully you can see the shorts here also and show you. So that is it for the first outfit, and I will be back with the next one. I'm back with the second outfit, and actually I have the same top on. So again, this is, and I don't know, sleeveless rumple v-neck blouse in Berry by Vince Camuto. I don't think I said that last time. So it is the same top, and I just paired it this time with the Absolution cuffed ankle jeans in blue by Democracy. Guys, let me go ahead and show you those jeans real quick. The jeans retail for $68, and the top is $59. So just cuffed at the bottom, a little fading, like kind of lighter wash jeans. They are somewhat high rise. I don't know that it says that, but they are higher. They are a very good fit, and I don't even know if I've ever gone wrong with Democracy jeans. So there is that outfit, and I will be right back. I have the next top on, same jeans. Next top is Nora top in dark gray by Gentle Fawn, and it is very lightweight, just kind of a t-shirt style top. Super comfy, feels like great quality. Just a real basic tee. All right, guys, I'll be right back. I believe that this is the last top that I have today, and it is the Hachi V-neck tank in navy, and it is by Wantable. It is a V-neck navy, super lightweight, casual tank top. It's super comfy, great quality. And that's it for all the tops. I have one more item. It is a dress, and I will be right back with that. I am back, and actually I had 2 items left. I had forgotten it came with a necklace today that is the 5-dot dainty necklace in silver by Lou and Company. And I will quickly show you that. And it is very simple, just literally 5 dots of silver on a necklace. But I really like simple necklaces. I think it's super cute. And I have that on with a Z Supply, the Reverie dress in black by Z Supply. Very simple, longer length dress. I don't know if you'll be able to see that in the video, but it kind of comes up on the sides here. You're not gonna be able to see it on the video. So it comes up on both sides like a slit, and just to about the knee, and then is longer, kind of scooped in the front, and then just kind of a straight, simple dress. So that's it for all of the outfits from Wantable this month. And I will go quickly over the prices, and then you guys just let me know what you think of the outfits down in the comments below. All right, so a quick recap. We have the cuffed shorts for $58. The cuffed ankle Democracy jeans for $68. The 5-dot dainty necklace in silver retails for $38. The Reverie dress in black, $64. Hachi v-neck tank in navy, $38. Sleeveless rumple v-neck blouse in berry for $59. And the Nora top in dark gray was $42. And the price of all of those with no discount would be $367. If you keep 5, you do get a discount. So to keep the whole box, then you would get a discount of $73.40. And that brings the total to $293.60 minus your styling fee, which is $21. And that would bring it, and then you have to add taxes, which pretty much that just evens each other out. The total is $992.75. So the thing is, you only have to keep 5 for the discount, and I believe the discount would be 20% off, but I'm not sure. I always forget that. So, oh, 20%, it says right here. Keep 5, save 20%, or get 25%. Oh my gosh. Keep 5, get 20% off. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items in this box, and I don't know what I'm going to keep. So make sure that you comment below and tell me your thoughts on all of these items and the prices and whether you think they're worth it. They all seem like really good quality pieces. So just let me know, and I'll see you guys next time.